Hello students, today we are going to see nouns, a common noun and proper noun. Let's see. General name. A general name of a person, any place, any animal or any thing is a common noun. Here I will give you one example of common noun. Let's see the example. He is a clown. He is a clown. So in the world I think there are so many clowns, but this clown is a general. Okay, general name for the person. We are talking about clown. General name for the person. Next example. They live in a city. Here I indicate city in a red color. So there are so many cities in the world. Okay, so there are so many common cities. So in this sentence we are talking about city. City is a general name for the place. Next sentence we will see. It is his dog. In this sentence we are talking about the dog. All of you know and all of you loves the dogs. Okay. So dog is an animal. We are talking about dog, and so many dogs are there around us. So we can't say a particular dog. So dog is here used as animal. It is a general name for the animal. Understood? Next sentence. This is a pastry. Yummy. I know all of you love pastry, very tasty. So in this sentence we are talking about pastry. Pastry is a general name of thing. Okay, so many pastries are there, so many kinds of pastries are there. So this pastry is a general name for the thing. Okay, it is a thing. One more rule. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. So do not write common noun in capital letters. Special names are given to people, places, pets, days, months, organizations, etc. are proper nouns. These are proper nouns. These all are proper nouns. They are given as a particular name. Let's see some examples. John the clown entertains people in a circus. In this sentence we are talking about John the clown. John is the special name for the clown. Okay, it is a particular person. There are so many clones, but we can identify easily the John. So here the special name for the clone is John. Understood? We will move to the another example. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence Mumbai is a city. a particular name for a city. So many cities, but we can identify easily when we called Mumbai. So in this sentence, Mumbai is a special name for the city. Okay, now we will move to another sentence. His dog's name is Pluto. In this sentence, Pluto is a special name. It is used for that dog. So many dogs are there, but we can identify easily by its name Pluto. So in this sentence, Pluto is the special name for the dog. It is used as a particular name. We can easily call him by his name. In these sentences, John, Mumbai and Pluto are written in the capital letters. It means proper noun starts with capital letter. Special names are given to the country, city, road, river, mountain, monument, festivals, etc. is the proper nouns. These all are proper nouns. Let's see here. All the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. Every proper noun, every special name, every particular name always started with capital letter. For example, my uncle lives in New Zealand. Here New Zealand is written in capital letter. The Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. Here New Delhi and Red Fort are started with capital letter. My school is on Mahatma Gandhi Road. In this sentence, Mahatma Gandhi Road started with capital letters.